Take one, we're putting Coke cans in our head.
Because we're Coke heads.
Today we are doing some awesome, gruesome makeup. We're gonna put some Coke cans in our heads. This doesn't hurt, does it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it like almost sticks to my head.
It's not gonna stay there.
Done.
How does that happen?
Done.
How are you doing that?
Boom.
Ooh. Okay, so first step is you gather your can and a pair of scissors. So you just stab it with a knife or scissors and then just start cutting.
That sound. Ugh.
So once you get this thing cut, push this in the sides that
Carefully,
way, because this is actually aluminum, right?
Yeah.
So you'll cut the out of your forehead for real. We won't even need any latex. Or fake blood. It'll be real.
You know,
Got our cans carved out. Okay, pick up your pen. It doesn't even need to be a pen. So this is like an eyeliner felt pen, but it can be anything. Anything that's just gonna leave a mark. I mean, don't use a pencil, but you can use anything. So you're gonna take your can, once you're done molesting it.
Yep.
Take your can, and then take your pen.
Got my pen.
Okay, and very lightly draw an outline, tracing the can. Okay, next, take a piece of paper towel.
Okay.
And then long ways, and we're gonna just tear off like a skinny bit of it. It's about like that. Again, not perfect, it's fine. And then you're gonna roll it up. So we're gonna do some glue first because that can get tacky and kind of dry for a second. Do you like how I just made that up?
This is the latex glue?
No, this is not latex, this is just glue. It's a facial adhesive glue.
Okay.
So we're gonna take some and we're gonna trace the circle. And be generous, you want a substantial amount of glue.
I don't have enough forehead.
I know. You don't look like a person with a small forehead.
What do those people look like?
I mean, we've seen them. So now we're gonna take our paper towel, just press it onto the glue circle that you have created.
Okay.
And then when you reach the other side, just tear off the excess. So next step, we're gonna take our Ben Nye liquid latex, and we are going to add a layer on top of the paper towel. And this is what our Coke can is going to adhere to.
Spirit glue? Spirit gum? What's it called?
Spirit gum.
Okay.
It is the gum of spirits.
How did you come up with this?
Oh, I didn't.
Well, like...
My producer told me I had to do this. Okay? And then, I did it again, God. Oh my God, this has to get out of the brush really fast.
Oh no.
Okay, so push it in, yep, and just kind of push the paper towel into it so that it's getting contact with the glue and paper towel. And if it keeps falling off, just add more glue. Ooh. So I want you to keep pushing on it.
Oh man.
Now we're gonna go for the liquid latex part. Start creating a layer on top of the paper towel and connecting up to the Coke can. And get some down on your skin as well. Now a little tip, as you're putting this latex and it's touching the skin, take your finger and just kind of feather it out. So in the meantime, while you're waiting your friends to screw around with their latex, keep holding the can on your head as it's drying. Now this does take a little while, so you can speed up the process by using a hairdryer, of which I didn't bring one. May I see?
Did I do good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, really good. In fact, you did so good, it makes me want to add more.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Who's learning from who now? The apprentice becomes the master.
Master Bader.
No. Master Jedi. I'm super cool.
I really wish do we have a blow dryer here?
We have a toaster oven. So we just have to wait and let this kind of dry? Like how long do you think?
Until it stops feeling tacky.
Okay.
It's probably around, it depends how many layers you put on. For you, it's probably gonna be like 30 minutes. For me, probably like 10.
I'm glad we found this little fan. Don't knock my can off. Help dry it off. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, see, there you go. That's the look right there.
Because this is mimicking skin, we're going to create some fleshy skin, like some flaky, fleshy skin has come off. you're gonna pick up with your fingernail just a wee bit of the latex and gently pull on it. I'm peeling my skin off.
Gross.
How come like everything you do that like takes concentration, you like need your mouth open?
Alright.
So moving on.
Okay.
Now, you can do this with a little water. You don't have to have this special like Liquid-Set stuff. But now we're going to show that the skin surrounding our impalement is having a reaction. This is very easy, don't get scared.
Okay.
Very easy. That's why I invited you to do it. Because even you can do it. So we're gonna take a little paintbrush.
Which one?
So you are gonna use this one.
Okay.
We're gonna dip it into our Liquid-Set and then dab it into the red paint here. And so now dab a little bit onto the paper towel, right?
Okay.
Because we don't want our skin to be red. It's never red, it's like pink and flamed, right?
Okay.
So starting around the latex, you're gonna start painting in these like little feather motions like this. You're gonna take your finger and you're gonna just kind of soften it like this. So now taking a little black. Good. Wipe a little excess off.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna go in on the latex and we're gonna just kind of like spackle it. And then you can go in with a little bit more concentrated red and you can spackle on top of that. And then you want the latex color. You don't want any exposed latex to where it's just, there's nothing on it. You want at least some pink on it.
Yeah?
That looks really good.
What do I
That
need
looks
to do?
disgusting.
What do I need to do different?
Does mine look disgusting?
More red?
so
Yours
far?
looks really nasty.
Okay, good.
Like,
Next step, this is my favorite ever. I love this.
what is it?
Okay, this is coagulated blood.
It looks like jam.
So it does look like jam. Like check that out. So saturate your brush with it, but pick up some product. Like there should
get
be
some
some
clumps.
chunkage and clumps on the brush, okay?
Okay, yep.
Now, where you peeled back some of the latex, we're just gonna smush that blood, this coagulated blood into it.
Like
okay?
the jelly
And
inside a donut.
It's exactly it. And you cannot screw this up. Get creative with this homicidal look. Feel good about it? Let me see yours.
I feel good.
Yeah, that looks good. Looks good.
Thank you. Yours looks better.
I agree. Okay, grab the blood,
Squirt blood.
squirt blood. Now we're gonna go in with this blood. And I find it better just to let it drip because it would be dripping, right? We don't wanna coordinate the dripping.
Oh, I see,
So
yeah.
just let it drip. And that's what's so cool.
Let it drip.
So start at the top, gently push on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and keep it at the base of the can because that's where the injury has taken place, right? It's not out here, right here. And let it drip from here. And then,
Oh my. Oh my.
oh God. Okay, that one didn't work out.
Real blood doesn't bother me, but that looks
Really?
heinous on your face. It looks awful.
I cannot
Happens
express
to all of us.
how much this tickles. Like I wanna scratch this off my face so bad. Now, I'm gonna go in and like, now that we've got some good drips, I'm gonna go
Okay, I
in
see. Add a little more.
and like, just like put, I wanna add a little bit to fill in. Because obviously if there's this much dripping blood, it would be gushing a little bit more from the base of the injury, right? Just makes sense, it's science. It's actually medicine, not science. Biology. It's biology. That's a science.
yeah.
I failed biology. I did. One semester I failed.
This looks really good.
We're way better cokeheads than other people are. We got a runner?
We got a runner. It's gonna, oh, it feels just so,
Isn't it terrible? It's
it's
like
awful.
torturous.
it really is.
It is torturous. Like what happened?
It hurts so bad. Like if this happened to you, would it be like a, are you
Like
in
how
shock?
you pose for pictures?
Are you in shock or are you like, oh my God! Like, what? No, thank you so much. These look awesome. They look so good.
They do.
I love it.
The true test is other people's reactions.
Should we go freak some
Right?
people out?
Yup.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Trying to crush it, you know, like the can on your head trick.
Right.
It went really good.
Like both had the same accident.
It's so weird.
Hope you liked the video. I had a lot of fun learning how to do this to myself. If you want to watch other videos, they're right over here. And be sure to subscribe right over here.